If Terra Classic LONC continues this way, I think in 2 years, Terra Classic will only burn 178,280,956,561 coins of Terra Classic in 2 years. Now, based on the current burning of Terra Classic, this statistics is, I didn't just predict the statistics. This statistics is coming from Terra Classic burn portal. This is their analysis. This is their statistics that in the next 2 years, 728 or 730 days to come, that Terra Classic can only burn 108,280,956,561 coins if they continue to burn this rate. So you see, that number is quite small. Of course, but I add this number to the current burning of Terra Classic, then it means LOS will be burning just 241 or 242 billion coins by this time in 2025. And this is a coin with about 5.85 trillion out there in circulating supply, 5.8, and you're burning just 240 something billion. So it is not good. It's not a good thing for Terra Classic. This is why they need to improve on the burning of Terra Classic. In fact, we need to burn this number in a single month. I wish Terra Classic can burn this in a single month. I mean, burning 178 billion coins in a single month. I know it's not going to be easy, but this is what we wish. This is what we want to see. We want to see Terra Classic in a year burning about 2 trillion. So that at least in the next 3 years, we'll be like, okay, Terra Classic is trading at 1 cent. Terra Classic is trading at 10 cents because the supply they have is one of the things that will be holding the price from pumping. The current supply is one of the things that will be dragging down Terra Classic progress. Yes, so unless they are able to destroy, unless they are able to burn this supply, that is when Terra Classic will record huge success. That's when Terra Classic will achieve that dream they have been looking for, okay? Or if they can be able to hit over 20 to 30 billion dollars market cap, or even 50 billion dollars market cap. With $50 billion market cap, they would definitely be ranked the top 5 or top 6 crypto coins with the highest market cap as at the time of recording this, but which is impossible. So the only option they have right now is to focus on destroying, is to focus on burning Terra Classic coin. Binance BNB market cap is about almost that should be between 36 billion, and we have USDC 86 billion, and Ethereum 200 billion, and Bitcoin $495 billion market cap. So it will be difficult for Terra Classic definitely to hit such amount in order to hit a massive progress. So they need to focus on burning of Terra Classic more. Once again, thank you. Drop your comment. What do you think about this? Whatever idea you have for Terra Classic, drop in the comment section below.